This account can no longer use WhatsApp. You just saw this message from WhatsApp support and you had lost the earth under your feet. But do not you worry, let's unban your WhatsApp account and let's recover it in just under 2 minutes. So we'll discuss two solutions, and the second solution works 110% and the first solution works 150%. So what you have to do is tap and hold on your WhatsApp application and tap on remove app and delete WhatsApp application. Why I'm telling to delete your WhatsApp application, just give me 1 minute and you'll understand. After deleting it, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to search bar and search here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And when WhatsApp app appears up, you have to tap on it and reinstall WhatsApp application after deleting it. And after reinstallation, open WhatsApp application again and try to log in that phone number again, and your account will be unsuspended and recovered. This solution works for 90% of the people, but if this thing didn't work and deleting and reinstalling did not recover your WhatsApp account, then you have to open up your mail and tap on compose. And next you have to write a mail to this email address, grievance_officer_wa@support.whatsapp.com. And after writing that email address, you can write the subject unjust WhatsApp account suspension. And you can write an email like this: Dear WhatsApp support team, my name is so and so and my phone number is so and so. I'm writing to report that my WhatsApp account has been wrongly banned. I understand that WhatsApp has policies to ban accounts that violate its terms, but I'm confident that my account was banned by mistake. I kindly request you to review my WhatsApp account and reinstate it as soon as possible. I'm fully committed to following WhatsApp's policies and will make all necessary steps to avoid any future violations. And after sending this mail, just wait for 24 to 48 hours and your WhatsApp account will be recovered. Now tell me in the comments that which thing worked for you for recovering your banned WhatsApp account. Thank you so much.